them. I'm so happy. Now, when you sit in the backyard, you don't get the sun on top of the face. Because me and my husband, we get a honey. At 2 o'clock, I gotta go with your uncle to the eye doctor. They gotta check the right eye because they think your uncle's got a cataract. But you know your cousin Josephine? She's got a girlfriend? My all this year, I never know she was a Lebanese. It's not my business, but your cousin Maria got no respect. She got married in the Bronx at this place called a Botanical Garden. But that's disgusting.